Realme launched two new mid-range 5G phones under P4 lineup in India called Realme P4 and Realme P4 Pro. Both of this device shares quite identical design, but are different in terms of specifications, and among this two, the Realme P4 Pro is the higher variant, with additional features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the Realme P4 Pro 5G smartphone. The Realme P4 Pro 5G features a tall 6.8-inch 1.5K resolution 4D Curve Plus AMOLED display, with up to 144 Hz refresh rate, and up to 6500 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset, paired with Adreno 722 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 14 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128, 256, or 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Realme P4 Pro 5G houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony IMX896 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture, and both front and rear cameras of the phone can capture 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 80 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on Realme UI 6.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP66 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.27 by 76.16 by 7.68 millimeters, and it weighs around 189 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme P4 Pro 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 24,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 26,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 28,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from August 27th, in birch wood, dark oak wood, and midnight ivy color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme P4 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.